Welcome to our Fun Facts Fiesta, where curiosity meets entertainment. I'm delighted to have you join us on this exciting adventure of discovering fascinating and mind-boggling facts.
Hey Imi Fun Facts family. Welcome back to another exciting episode of Mythbusters. Today, we're putting some age-old myths to the test. Can you really chew gum for 7 years? Will a penny dropped from the Empire State Building kill someone? Get ready to separate fact from fiction as we unleash some explosive, well, maybe not explosive, but definitely myth-busting facts. Myth: bananas grow on trees. Contrary to popular belief, bananas don't grow on trees, they grow on large herbaceous plants that are technically classified as herbs. Fact: goldfish have a memory span of just a few seconds. It's a common myth that goldfish have a memory span of only a few seconds. In reality, goldfish have been shown to remember things for months, especially when it comes to food locations and feeding schedules. Myth: lightning never strikes the same place twice. While it's a popular saying, lightning can and does strike the same place multiple times. Tall structures like skyscrapers and monuments are often struck repeatedly during thunderstorms. Fact: carrots improve eyesight. While carrots are a healthy vegetable rich in vitamin A, consuming them won't miraculously improve eyesight. However, a deficiency in vitamin A can lead to vision problems, so including carrots in a balanced diet is still beneficial for eye health. Myth: bulls are enraged by the color red. In bullfighting, the matador's red cape is often associated with provoking the bull. However, bulls are actually colorblind to red and are agitated by the movement of the cape, not its color. Fact: ostriches bury their heads in the sand. Contrary to the myth, ostriches don't bury their heads in the sand to hide from danger. When they sense danger, they lie flat on the ground and press their necks against the sand, which can give the illusion of burying their heads. Myth: cracking your knuckles causes arthritis. Despite what many believe, cracking your knuckles doesn't cause arthritis. The popping sound comes from gas bubbles bursting in the synovial fluid within the joints, and there's no evidence linking knuckle cracking to arthritis. Fact: daddy longlegs are extremely poisonous. It's a common myth that daddy longlegs are one of the most venomous spiders but can't bite humans because their fangs are too short. In reality, daddy longlegs aren't spiders and aren't venomous at all. Myth: eating poppy seeds can make you fail a drug test. While poppy seeds do contain trace amounts of opiates, you would need to consume an extremely large quantity for it to register on a drug test. Most drug tests have a threshold to account for this, so eating a poppy seed bagel won't cause you to fail. Fact: lemmings commit mass suicides. The myth of lemmings committing mass suicides by jumping off cliffs is just that, a myth. This misconception was popularized by a Disney documentary in the 1950s, but it's entirely untrue. Lemmings are not suicidal and don't engage in such behavior. Remember, Imi Fun Facts separates truth from fiction. So, the next time you hear a strange myth, come back and join us as we bust it wide open. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more myth-busting fun and fascinating facts.
If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future updates.